Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Xdefiant error code DELTA-24 on Xbox console. So, try these before we start with advanced methods. That is, close the game and relaunch. Press Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Go to Xdefiant and highlight it, and then press the menu button on your controller. Select Quit. After that, relaunching Xdefiant. Next, if you are using a wireless connection, then try Forget Wireless Network, then try Reconnect. Besides, make sure your Xbox console is within range of the router. If possible, bring them closer together, and make sure there aren't any obstacles or interference devices between them. Next, try switching from wireless connection to a wired connection. For users using a wired connection, try switching to another port on your router. Also, if possible, try using a different Ethernet cable to connect your Xbox console to the router. If the problem still occurs, move on to the first method. Method 1. Check server status. Please visit the Ubisoft help page and the official Xdefiant Twitter page linked in the description. There, you'll see game news, including maintenance times, patches, and server-related issues. If there aren't any server issues, then move on to the next method. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC Address. Select Clear. Restart your console. Then check if error code DELTA-24 persists. Method 3. Use manual DNS. Navigate to Settings. On the following screen, head to General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Then with the on-screen keyboard, type in the primary and secondary DNS server you want to use. Here, I will use Google DNS. I will type 8.8.8.8 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 8.8.4.4 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Alternatively, you can also try with Cloudflare DNS. Just type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. When you're finished, you'll be brought back to the advanced network screen, where you will see your new DNS servers have been saved. Try relaunching Xdefiant and check if the error code DELTA-24 is gone. Method 4. Turning off the QoS tagging settings. Go to Settings. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select QoS tagging settings. Turn both off and restart. Method 5. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your Xbox console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 6. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code DELTA-24 is gone. Method 7. Check for update the game and system software and wait for the patch from Ubisoft. Always make sure your games and system software are updated to the latest versions. This is a common way to avoid unexpected crashes when playing a game. And, since newly released games will often have such errors, you will have to wait for the publisher to re-optimize in their next updates. You will have a better experience in the next updates of Xdefiant. Method 8. Factory reset your console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console. Then, Xbox will show you the following 3 options. Option 1. Reset and remove everything. Option 2. Reset and keep my apps and games. And Option 3. Cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console. Hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the Reset and Keep My Apps and Games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.